Welcome once again, I am Nick Star DN. Today we step into the world of innovative kitchen design, a place where functionality mingles with style. Within this sphere, efficiency reigns supreme. Imagine a well-organized kitchen revolutionizing your daily routine, making meal preparations a breeze, and providing you with a delightful experience. Picture having everything you need right at your fingertips, with ingenious storage solutions placing your essentials within easy reach. It's not merely about creating a space, but about crafting a space that works for you, one that simplifies your life and enriches your culinary journey. A kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, but also about its feel and its functionality. With the correct design, even the most compact of kitchens can become a culinary sanctuary. Innovative kitchen design is about finding new methods to maximize space, enhance functionality, and boost style. It's about pushing limits, shattering conventions, and reimagining what a kitchen can be. Bear in mind, a well-designed kitchen isn't just a cooking area, it's a living space. When space is at a premium, compact kitchen layouts come to the rescue. These clever designs are all about making the most of every square inch available. Take galley kitchens for instance. They maximize space by aligning cabinets, appliances, and prep areas along two parallel walls, creating an efficient and streamlined flow. On the other hand, L-shaped kitchens are a great option when you want to include a small dining area. The layout forms a natural work triangle between the stove, sink, and refrigerator, which can significantly improve your cooking experience. Then we have kitchenettes, the epitome of compact design. These mini kitchens, often equipped with just the essentials, are perfect for studio apartments or as secondary kitchens in larger homes. Despite their small size, they can be designed to be both functional and stylish. Remember, even in the smallest spaces, a well-designed kitchen can thrive. It's about making smart choices and optimizing what you have. Innovative furniture can transform how you use your kitchen. Imagine a compact kitchen unit that houses everything you need, a fold-down table that converts into a prep station, or a cozy breakfast nook, a pull-out pantry that reveals a hidden treasure trove of spices and canned goods. Then there's the convertible kitchen island that can be a chopping block one moment and a dining table the next. This isn't just furniture, it's a revolution in how we think about kitchen design. These innovative pieces are not only stylish and space-saving but also incredibly versatile. They allow you to adapt and change your kitchen space according to your needs. Whether you're preparing a 5-course dinner or simply making a cup of tea, they are the epitome of form meeting function and the ultimate in kitchen design efficiency. With multifunctional furniture, every inch of your kitchen can serve a purpose. Sky's the limit when it comes to kitchen storage. Let's delve into the world of vertical storage solutions that help you make the most of every inch of your kitchen. In the heart of your culinary hub, vertical space is a treasure trove of storage potential that's often overlooked. Tall cabinets, for instance, are a game changer. They stretch from floor to ceiling, providing an abundance of storage space for everything from cookware to groceries. Now picture overhead racks. These are perfect for pots, pans, and utensils, freeing up valuable counter and cabinet space. And don't forget about hanging shelves. These gems can be installed anywhere, providing additional storage and displaying your favorite dishes or decor. Each of these solutions leverages vertical space, transforming your kitchen into a well-organized and highly functional space. By thinking vertically, you can significantly increase your kitchen's storage capacity. Organizing your kitchen drawers can be a game changer. It's not just about tidying up, it's about creating a system that makes cooking and cleaning more efficient. Drawer organizers, dividers, and inserts work wonders in achieving this. Think of a cutlery tray for instance. It keeps your forks, knives, and spoons neatly separated, making it easy to grab exactly what you need. But don't stop at cutlery. Drawer dividers can sort out your cooking utensils, keeping spatulas, whisks, and ladles within easy reach. Then there are customizable drawer inserts. These are fantastic for deeper drawers where you can store pots, pans, and their lids. They keep everything in place, preventing that frustrating clatter when you're trying to find the right pot. Let's not forget about spice drawer inserts. They lay your spices flat, labels up, so you can find your paprika in a snap. With the right organizers, every kitchen utensil and tool can have its own designated spot. Hidden appliances can create a sleek and streamlined kitchen. Imagine a world where your coffee maker, toaster, and blender are all tucked away, yet within easy reach when you need them. That's the magic of integrated designs and hidden compartments. This innovative approach helps to maintain the minimalist aesthetic that's so popular in modern kitchen designs. Think about a refrigerator or dishwasher disguised as cabinetry, or a microwave concealed within an island. These hidden appliances are like secret agents in your culinary haven, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. They contribute to a clutter-free environment, allowing your kitchen to breathe and maintain a sense of openness. But it's not just about the look. These appliances are designed with convenience in mind. They are easily accessible, ensuring that functionality is never compromised. The result is a kitchen that's as efficient as it is elegant. Hidden appliances allow your kitchen to maintain its chic aesthetic without sacrificing functionality. Modern kitchens are getting smarter. As technology advances, it's seeping into every corner of our homes, and the kitchen is no exception. The role of smart technology in modern kitchens is rapidly expanding, and it's not just about gadgetry or showing off. It's about enhancing convenience and efficiency. Smart appliances, for instance, can be programmed to start and finish cooking at specified times, ensuring your meal is ready when you walk through the door. Touchless faucets, on the other hand, not only provide a hygienic solution but also help in conserving water. And let's not forget about voice-controlled assistants. These nifty devices can help you multitask like a pro, from setting timers and reading recipes aloud to controlling other smart devices in your kitchen. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to streamline your cooking process, smart technology brings a new level of convenience to the kitchen. Lighting plays a crucial role in any kitchen design. It's not just about visibility, it's about setting the mood, highlighting your favorite features, and creating a warm and inviting environment. Enter the era of innovative lighting solutions. Let's start with under-cabinet lighting. These clever installations brighten up your workspace, making food preparation safer and more enjoyable. They also add a subtle glow that can enhance the overall ambiance of your kitchen after dark. Moving on, we have pendant lights. These stylish pieces hang from the ceiling, providing a focused beam of light over your kitchen island or dining table. They also serve as a design statement, adding personality and flair to the room. Lastly, we have task lighting. This practical solution is all about function, illuminating specific areas where you perform tasks like reading recipes or chopping vegetables. Innovative lighting strategies can transform your kitchen from ordinary to extraordinary. With innovative lighting solutions, your kitchen can shine in more ways than one. Your kitchen should reflect your personal style and needs. It's not just about aesthetics, but functionality too. Customization and personalization are key to creating a kitchen that truly works for you. It's about understanding your cooking habits, needs, and lifestyle, and then tailoring the design to suit. Consider the types of meals you typically prepare. Are you a master baker in need of more counter space for rolling dough? Or maybe a passionate home chef who dreams of a 6-burner stove? Your kitchen should facilitate these activities. And let's not forget about personal style. From the color scheme to the material of your countertops, every detail should resonate with your taste. Whether you're a fan of sleek modern designs or prefer a rustic farmhouse aesthetic, there's room for personal expression. But remember, customization doesn't mean you have to go it alone. Engage with a design professional who can help bring your vision to life. A personalized kitchen is a kitchen that truly feels like home. Transforming your kitchen doesn't have to break the bank. With a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of resourcefulness, you can revamp your kitchen space without splurging. One trick is to repurpose existing furniture. An old table can become a rustic kitchen island, while an unused ladder can transform into a stylish pot rack. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Give your kitchen a fresh look by painting the cabinets. A coat of paint can do wonders in changing the mood and style of your kitchen, and it's an affordable alternative to a full cabinet replacement. Choose a color that complements your kitchen's theme and your personal taste. Don't underestimate the power of new hardware. Updating your cabinet handles or drawer pulls can make a significant difference in your kitchen's appearance. You'll be surprised at how such a small change can make a big impact. With a little creativity and elbow grease, a dream kitchen is within reach, no matter your budget.